Welcome to my channel. This video part 6. You can check the channel for part 5. Don't forget to subscribe. Effective.
Effective.
The new marketing strategy proved to be highly effective.
Effective.
Blank.
Blank.
She stared at the blank page, unsure where to begin.
Blank.
Switch off.
Switch off.
Don't forget to switch off the lights before leaving.
Switch off.
Wash up.
Wash up.
I'll wash up the dishes after we finish dinner.
Wash up.
Conclusion.
Conclusion.
In conclusion, the study found a significant correlation.
Conclusion.
Indicate.
Indicate.
The results indicate a strong link between the two variables.
Indicate.
Insult.
Insult.
It's not polite to insult others based on their appearance.
Insult.
Noisily.
Noisily.
The children were playing noisily in the yard.
Noisily.
This.
This.
This book is a fascinating read about ancient civilizations.
This.
Railway.
Railway.
The train sped down the railway tracks.
Railway.
Concerned.
Concerned.
I am concerned about the environmental impact of the project.
Concerned.
There.
There.
There's a beautiful park just around the corner.
There.
Concentrate.
Concentrate.
It's important to concentrate when solving complex problems.
Concentrate.
Photograph.
Photograph.
She took a photograph of the stunning sunset.
Photograph.
Walk.
Walk.
Let's take a walk in the park this afternoon.
Walk.
Strike.
Strike.
The workers decided to go on strike to demand better wages.
Strike.
Dozen.
Dozen.
He bought a dozen donuts for the office party.
Dozen.
Mind.
Mind.
Do you mind if I join you for lunch?
Mind.
Farm.
Farm.
My grandparents owned a small farm in the countryside.
Farm.
Leave out.
Leave out.
Please don't leave out any important details.
Leave out.
Finally.
Finally.
After hours of work, I finally completed the project.
Finally.
Vehicle.
Vehicle.
The electric vehicle is an eco-friendly alternative to traditional cars.
Vehicle.
Swimming.
Swimming.
We're planning to go swimming at the beach this weekend.
Swimming.
Union.
Union.
The labor union negotiated for better working conditions.
Union.
Surname.
Surname.
The family's surname has been passed down for generations.
Surname.
Platform.
Platform.
The train arrived at platform 3.
Platform.
Quite.
Quite.
She was quite impressed by the performance.
Quite.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I'll be there for the meeting.
Yes.
User.
User.
The software is user-friendly and easy to navigate.
User.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
He waved goodbye as he walked out the door.
Goodbye.
Quit.
Quit.
He decided to quit his job and pursue his passion.
Quit.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
The delicious aroma wafted from the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Consist.
Consist.
The sandwich consists of ham, cheese, and lettuce.
Consist.
Downstairs.
Downstairs.
The basement is located downstairs.
Downstairs.
Environmental.
Environmental.
The company is committed to implementing environmental initiatives.
Environmental.
Speed up.
Speed up.
We need to find ways to speed up the production process.
Speed up.
Somehow.
Somehow.
Somehow, she managed to finish the race despite her injury.
Somehow.
Treatment.
Treatment.
The doctor prescribed a course of antibiotics for the infection treatment.
Treatment.
News.
News.
The breaking news shocked the entire nation.
News.
Have.
Have.
I have a meeting scheduled for this afternoon.
Have.
Block.
Block.
The building was surrounded by a block of tall trees.
Block.
Expert.
Expert.
She's an expert in the field of astrophysics.
Expert.
Basis.
Basis.
The decision was made on the basis of thorough research.
Basis.
Owner.
Owner.
The shop owner greeted us with a friendly smile.
Owner.
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
He typed quickly on the keyboard to finish his report.
Keyboard.
Cut back.
Cut back.
They decided to cut back on unnecessary expenses.
Cut back.
Heat.
Heat.
The summer heat can be quite intense in this region.
Heat.
Weapon.
Weapon.
The soldiers were armed with advanced weaponry.
Weapon.
Dominate.
Dominate.
The larger team was able to dominate the game.
Dominate.
Dust.
Dust.
She used a cloth to dust off the old bookshelf.
Dust.
Digital.
Digital.
The camera captured the scene in stunning digital clarity.
Digital.
Nephew.
Nephew.
Her nephew is coming to visit for the weekend.
Nephew.
Wear out.
Wear out.
The shoes have started to wear out after years of use.
Wear out.
Mayor.
Mayor.
The mayor delivered a speech at the city's anniversary celebration.
Mayor.
Ultimately.
Ultimately.
Ultimately, the decision lies with the board of directors.
Ultimately.
Case.
Case.
In this case, we need to consider all possible options.
Case.
Machine.
Machine.
The factory installed a new machine to increase efficiency.
Machine.
Put forward.
Put forward.
She put forward a compelling argument during the debate.
Put forward.
March.
March.
We'll be hosting the event in the month of March.
March.
Class.
Class.
The chemistry class conducted an exciting experiment.
Class.
Tomato.
Tomato.
The ripe tomato was plucked from the garden.
Tomato.
Hence,
Hence.
the traffic jam was caused by an accident, hence the delay.
Hence.
Signal.
Signal.
The fireworks were a signal that the festival had started.
Signal.
Regard.
Regard.
He is held in high regard by his colleagues.
Regard.
Commitment.
Commitment.
Her commitment to her studies paid off with excellent grades.
Commitment.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
I really enjoy spending time outdoors.
Enjoy.
Pity.
Pity.
It's a pity that the event was canceled due to bad weather.
Pity.
Terribly.
Terribly.
She felt terribly nervous before her big presentation.
Terribly.
Unusually.
Unusually.
The weather has been unusually warm for this time of year.
Unusually.
Lady.
Lady.
The lady at the front desk was very helpful.
Lady.
Warn.
Warn.
He warned us about the potential dangers of the hike.
Warn.
Adult.
Adult.
An adult is expected to take responsibility for their actions.
Adult.
Unless.
Unless.
I won't be able to attend the meeting unless it's rescheduled.
Unless.
Cheat of.
Cheat of.
It's not right to cheat others of their hard-earned money.
Cheat of.
Below.
Below.
The temperature dropped below freezing overnight.
Below.
Thousand.
Thousand.
The stadium can hold up to 20,000 spectators.
Thousand.
Movie.
Movie.
Let's go watch a movie at the cinema this evening.
Movie.
Start up.
Start up.
She's planning to start up her own business.
Start up.
Function.
Function.
The heart's main function is to pump blood throughout the body.
Function.
Field.
Field.
She works in the field of environmental conservation.
Field.
Scream.
Scream.
The children screamed with excitement on the roller coaster.
Scream.
Drive away.
Drive away.
Charleroi Airport is not near Brussels. It's an hour drive away.
Drive away.
Thoroughly.
Thoroughly.
I cleaned the kitchen thoroughly before guests arrived.
Thoroughly.
Wander.
Wander.
They decided to wander through the forest and explore.
Wander.
Executive.
Executive.
The executive team discussed the company's future plans.
Executive.
Name.
Name.
What's your name?
Name.
Silly.
Silly.
The children laughed at the silly jokes.
Silly.
Illustrate.
Illustrate.
The diagrams were used to illustrate the scientific concepts.
Illustrate.
Mouth.
Mouth.
She gave him a great big kiss on the mouth.
Mouth.
Planet.
Planet.
Earth is a unique and diverse planet.
Planet.
Singer.
Singer.
The singer's powerful voice captivated the audience.
Singer.
Permission.
Permission.
Please ask for permission before using my computer.
Permission.
Surprise.
Surprise.
The unexpected gift was a pleasant surprise.
Surprise.
Operate.
Operate.
He learned how to operate the complicated machinery.
Operate.
Shoe.
Shoe.
She slipped on her running shoes and headed out for a jog.
Shoe.
Annoyed.
Annoyed.
I could tell she was annoyed by the constant noise.
Annoyed.
Check on.
Check on.
Could you please check on the progress of the project?
Check on.
Poison.
Poison.
The snake's bite contains a deadly poison.
Poison.
Dog.
Dog.
The dog wagged its tail and barked happily.
Dog.
Awful.
Awful.
The weather was so awful that we had to cancel our plans.
Awful.
Thank you for watching.